This video guide will help you to get rid of the online scam related to the website Bluelist.site. Bluelist.site. This is a very deceptive resource that currently attacks Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and other popular browsers. The website Bluelist.site is extremely malicious. It tries to scare you into thinking that your system is horribly infected with some threat or some virus. It says that your PC might be vulnerable to viruses and other threats. However, all this information is totally deceptive and misleading. Indeed, it could be that your computer is infected by some threat or virus, but these pop-ups by Bluelist.site are not the genuine source of information about whether your computer is infected or is not infected. In fact, such pop-ups can be the result of some adware-type program enabled in your system. So if you ever see these pop-ups by Bluelist.site, keep in mind that they are not genuine alerts. They may promote some decent software at the first glance, but then if you start interacting with them, you may be forwarded to some other deceptive websites that may lead you to the installation of potentially unwanted software. And you may also experience a lot of other problems with intrusive ads in the form of web push notifications and other negative side effects related to the presence of adware. So what we recommend you to do is to carefully check the control panel of your computer and uninstall any programs that are not familiar to you. If you find any software that you don't remember installing based on your own decision, uninstall them. Also, we recommend you to research your device with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the official page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. So go to this official resource, download the software called Combo Cleaner, install the application, and start carefully researching your system with its help to make sure the device is free of any other concealed threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress, and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protected against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware, and as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So, Enjoy Combo Cleaner. Consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.